Okay, there we go.
When he wants to go, just let him go.
He's hooked into a sturgeon. Yeah, if he starts taking off, just let him go.
Don't worry, my guide fee's pretty cheap.
Okay, yeah, just let him fight you.
You think I could have landed this on my 17-pound test line?
He had 17-pound mono that came on this, and I was like, yeah, we gotta get you something else.
You told me to just fish with it.
Yeah, our first day, I said, we'll know if it's not strong enough.
I have 30-pound test on with 20-pound leader. Okay, now go again.
Lucky dog.
Oh, did you lose him? You did.
He either broke off or
I saw it.
got unhooked. Yeah, all the slack. Oh, he just slipped out.
Dang it.
Okay, how do I stop it?
The red button.
This is Dustin's number 2 try at a sturgeon that Josh hooked into. Yeah, just let him fight you. Bam!
Did you get that?
I bet it did get it. I'm right over his shoulder.
About, I'm gonna guess he's 4.5. Look, I got a mark on here from the very end of the boat to this. It's 6'2".
Yeah, have you got one that long?
Yeah, that's why I caught one last year that was 7.
Holy frick.
That's the biggest one we've caught this year, though. We put a mark on it, scratch the mark so we can.
So you can measure them?
So, yeah, because I don't have a tape recorder, so that gives you a good idea.
He went airborne with that one, didn't he?
That'd be sweet if you got that one.
I should have, because I was right over his shoulder.
You know you're gonna have to put that down to help.
Yeah, I know.
You can just give it to me.
I mean, I can grab his mouth. Still filming and grabbing his mouth.
I don't want you to drop that thing in.
How are you gonna get the hook out?
Yeah, that's true.
I'll grab the head, and then you grab the tail, and when we get it out,
And we'll just lift it up to the water.
I'll switch and let him grab the head. I'll let him grab the tail. We'll just see so that you can get a better angle at him with the fish.
Okay.
Come on, stubborn piece of shit.
Oh, they take a while.
Oh yeah, and when it gets close to this boat, be ready, because he's just gonna take off. Like that one that you hooked into that I landed that day, we had to lift anchor and chase him down the freaking river.
The 7-footer I caught, I landed him down at the point.
And it
This
just,
one ain't that big though. One 7 foot's like this big around.
Arms tired?
Oh my back.
Yeah, just let him get tired. If you bust my pole, I'm gonna be pissed.
Why?
I'd blame it on you.
Go buy another
Bringing
one.
a little baby fucking pole.
Just let him fight, yeah.
Not very often do we land them on that side. They usually like this side the best because it's quicker moving. But it's better if you can land them over there because sometimes they get tangled up in the anchor ropes. So you got to try to keep them out of it if you can. Alright. Make him move on. Get his head turned. There you go. Slow. Don't make such fast movements.
Like there jumped another one. He was saying, ah. Yeah, there he goes. Just let him go. There's 300 yards of line on there. He ain't running out.
We need to tighten the drags. Not right now. You got a fish on. It's bad luck. What is that, spider or fire?
It is spider.
That's what I like too.
30-pound spider.
That fire line, I think, don't you think it kinks? Like, and once it kinks, it stays.
Mm-hmm. And what's yours? Yours is Spider Pro.
No, mine's Power Pro.
Power Pro braided.
That's really good.
Yeah. He got 300 yards on eBay for like 20 bucks.
That's what I use for steelhead fishing. Oh, that scared me. Steelhead fishing's Power Pro.
There he is. That's him, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's not too far away.
Oh, he's still saying F you though.
I want him to jump right next to the boat.
So we get all soaking wet.
Yeah.
You can make them do that after you land them. If you let them go and let their head go first, hold their tail and pull them up as high as you can and let go. Sometimes they'll kick and smack the water right.
I think the sturgeon like country music. Got him out there still messing around.
He's
Yeah.
He's getting close again. I try to pull your shit over this way that way you can help keep him out. And come up here to the front of the boat. That'll help you keep him out of the anchor rope.
How long have you been recording?
6 minutes.
Okay, I would go over 10
Why?
and just record him once he gets close. This is when you go over 10, that makes it like a gig for the video.
So you want me to stop and wait until you get him by the boat?
Sure.
Okay, I'm recording though, so let's give him a jump again.
Let him get under the boat. Here we go for 10 minutes.
Oh, just 10 minutes at one point at a time.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I went 6 before. We're at a minute right now. He's putting up a pretty good little fight. Come on, put those muscles to work.
Reel this
Can't,
little
I'll
fucking
break-
baby in.
I'll break the line.
We should have brought the net, then we could have netted it.
Yeah. Maybe its head.
Yeah.
They make sturgeon nets for the people on the Columbia.
don't think I'd want one in a net because it fucking just
throw you in. I watched one on YouTube where they caught a 10-foot sturgeon. That was down. It was over in Oregon somewhere.
So you need to tighten your drag because when you lift up on it, you can't even lift up on it.
Go back your pole.
And your pole is tiny too. So you can't get as much leverage.
Is he trying to get under the boat?
I think he's probably under it now.
Wasn't even in that deep, barely. Listen, come here. Grab. Josh, you go to.
You got him? You want me on the tail or what?
Let him come grab the head.
Okay, Dustin, come grab the head.
Where do I grab him?
You just grab right up inside of his lip. You have his tail?
Get ready. Lean out farther so he can get you in there.
There we go, right there. Woo! Okay. Okay, Dustin, let go.
Plus, I'll bet you he's tired because he ran fucking 100 fucking yards straight up the middle of the river. Oh, he's trying to fight. What is he, 4 feet?
Looks like it.
Dude, it looks like it's right in his dorsal fin.
That's where they tag them. Is their dorsal fin. And they say if you turn in the number with
You're
the
gonna
tag.
grab him for me? Yeah, you close? Yeah, fuck, look at him.
And if you turn in the number, they'll enter you in a drawing to win $200.
To win what?
$200.
Really? I've never. They have tagged ones down here?
Yeah. It's right in the dorsal.
Dude, you did get him right in the fin.
Oh, you cocksucker.
Come on, dude. Dustin's not hit for like a year.
Yeah, he did.
I don't know why mine was fighting so hard.
Now he's fighting because he saw the fucking boat. They got tagged ones down here?
Mm-hmm.
I thought between me and Travis and Dad, I thought we caught every fucking sturgeon that's down here.
Did you look for a tag?
No. We're usually looking at the bottom of them.
There's a couple of them down here that are over 100 pounds.
That looks surprising. I'll bet you that I guarantee you that 7-footer I caught was over 100 pounds. Sucks because when you can't get their heads,
You know?
you fucking can't.
Remember the one I landed that you hooked? We snagged it too, remember? That's the one that fought us for like a year.
Yeah.
Was he close?
Yeah, he's got to be getting pretty close. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
How you don't grab him? His mouth?
Look, he's not even hooked. Grab his hook.
Just wrapped around it.
What the fuck? What in the fuck is
Do you want me to grab it?
I got it. Here, go to the other side. He's freaking heavy. Oh, fuck. Shit. I don't think so. Look how slimy my freaking hand is. Like,
You were trying to get his mouth and he was not happy.
fuck no, he wasn't. None of that. It's like I just got line wrapped around him. That's a badass fisherman there.
You lassoed him, man. That's that cowboy in you.
No shit.
All that roping paid off.
You can't fucking manhandle him when he flops his tail, can you?
No. No, I had him picked up and I grabbed him with my other hand right as you reached down there and he just was like, forget you, fool. There you go. Come on.
That's actually a pretty decent size one.
Yeah.
Is it bigger than mine?
You get his head? Here, I'll try to help you.
I could probably reach into its
You
mouth.
got him hooked right down there. Or that's someone else's hook. You got that?
Reach! You got him? He won't come up. We can't lift it. There, get it. Get it. There. Now what?
Maybe this is someone that broke off on it.
It's free. Yeah. How long is free already? When the fuck did I reel him in?
You want to save that?
That's
They
fucking
hooked him with-
trout.
You want to flip them over? Or just cut into this thing a
Let's
little bit?
see. 5.
Let's see.
Hey, he's at the corner.
Yeah. Oh. He's almost 6.
Yeah.
Here's sharp.
Ready?
Top his head. Oh my god.
That was a good size one. That one was bigger than Dustin's. Dude, I was like up over my elbow in water trying to get that
I
sucker.
still don't understand how it happened. I got a clusterfuck here.